Hey guys, so I just finished work and look, I got turkey! We don't have this where we're from. We call this pabo. And guys, dako kay lang pabo guys.
So there will be a wishbone inside when it's done cooking, and you and your wife can grab both sides and you break it, and whoever has the bigger side has good luck for the year.
Kasi nilog's turkey?
Turk.
Turkey! Pero since naman sa Amerika, serving the turkey. Di lagi na masakit ang titi! So happy Thanksgiving everyone. Hey guys, so I just finished work and look, I got turkey! We don't have this where we're from. We call this pabo. And guys, dako kay lang pabo guys. Mura jug bowling ball. Anyways, so this is Kathleen and this is Michelle. So Kathleen gave me this turkey and Kelsey felt like she had to get ready for the vlog. So yeah, bugat yun siya. Mura yun siya bowling ball o sabot na si suda nilang manok. Anyway, so ato ni lutuon nito. Bye. So guys, Kelsey has advice for us for the turkey making. So what is your advice, Kelsey?
Okay, so there will be a wishbone inside when it's done cooking, and you and your wife can grab both sides and you break it, and whoever has the bigger side has good luck for the year.
Wow! Good luck daw. Hopefully madato tani tuiga. Thank you, Kelsey. Thank you everyone for the turkey experience. Hopefully this will not be the last turkey experience I'll ever have. So guys, since bago man ta magluto og turkey, no, mangwatag advice from, mga Americans. And so this is Carrie, and Carrie will teach me how to pat butter all over turkey.
I'm just gonna take the butter.
No, have a short intro like, hey guys, it's me, Carrie.
I'm not good at this.
Do you see what we were doing yesterday? We did this for like an hour and a half.
No, I can't do this.
Come on.
You just take the butter and you just separate the skin from the turkey.
And
then you take the pat of butter, like a half an inch thick, and you shove it in the turkey, and then that's it.
diba? Kasabot mo ato.
And you put Bell's turkey
Brutal kayo.
and then you cook it in a bag.
You cook it in a bag?
Yeah, it makes way less mess.
Like what kind of bag? Like a shoulder bag? Like a Louis Vuitton? What kind of bag are we talking
turkey
about?
bag.
A turkey bag. I wonder if they have...
It's literally a turkey bag. I'll show you.
Don't they come with it?
So guys, nakagawas na po sa trabahuan. Yeah guys, no? As you can see, na? Bugat kaya kung bowling mo nga manok. Bugat ba sa manok? So guys, naabot na ta, no? So ato na ipanghambog sa atong asawa unsa kada ko atong manok na dadere. Tanawa ang manok, babe. Hugyaw king manok. Oh, murag bowling ball ka bugat nga manok. Unsay tingog sa turkey? Unsay tingog sa turkey? Turkey. Ha? Kanya, puso gili na ko. Mo ba? Ako kay mga may hindi pamatag. If may bawal, if napala yung spam, ang spam yung ginawa. Nabi tayo all day si Chow nga ikaw. Sige out.
Hindi ko muluto na ako iso.
So guys, ano sa tingog sa turkey? Alak. Pero since naman sa Amerika, alak. So guys, anak ko asawa ang turkey sa pagluto daw yun ang himong halang-halang. What? Good morning guys. So it is Thanksgiving Day here in America. And karon nangapi me sa akong beautiful wife. And we're about to make the Thanksgiving turkey. So atong sunod ng parang advice di panghatag sa mga afam nato, no? Are you thankful for the coffee?
Yeah.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Thank you, baby, for the coffee. Sana all.
So, nag-live dire nung wala siyang na-overwhelmed sa hindi buhat.
Okay, so
Ano
guys,
ginawa na taro atong choices in life, babe? Diyos naman mo akong papo! Uy, gadugo akong papo!
shout out from Davao.
Yes, tanaw kadako sa manok.
Wow!
Did ka
So,
Kasi tingog sa pabo.
What? Kalive ko.
Ang tingog sa pabo, guys. Ang tingog sa pabo. So guys, ang tingog sa pabo since naman tas America kay di ba kay para so naman sa America kay What's that mo comment kanina about sa mo Facebook? So, morning kay book face. Lisod pod no nga gabi imong naong yabuntag tang dako. Kahugyaw ba?
Di mo ba?
So giyon sa ni mga pabo nato, no? Di mo naman
Akong i-unwrap ang
Diba guys?
alok-alok.
Kahit kahit nagtangtang-tangtang siya ng things diyan, nindot kayo makikuko.
Oh, of course. Ay, thank you so much, Latsvilla, for my nails. It's Haley Bieber inspired nails. So, pila niya siya ka week, so naagihapon.
Sige, pagkita yun sa camera. So, nag-make ka o mga instant pancakes na kasbuton. Kaya marag taw-taw pag ganyan turkey, mga 6 hours pa ni mama niya turkey. So yeah, magluto ta og pancakes, guys. Laban ko sa iyang kuhan diha. Mura makaga watercolor diha. Oh no! Watercolor ka diha.
Muna akong gibuhat.
Mga watercolor.
So, or lang, igat-igat lang.
Palaban laptop o palaban iPad. Sige, laban yan yung watercolor diya napita. Wow. Kadang ko sa manok!
Buon ko na ako sa ano, dinat ang manok, dinat ang turkey.
So guys,
Yeah,
update.
thank you. I mean, like, actually, muna
I don't know what she's doing now.
Kayo sa mamag. Kasi yung una mo pa ano yung storya.
You're very proud of what you did.
Yeah, I did.
Unsa man eh?
Actually, yeah, kani siya kay muna siya katong butter na tong himo gani ha. Kanya na ay kaning sage and then na ay kaning garlic puree, like garlic paste or ano siya. Yeah. Yeah, kaning Italian seasoning. And also, hala! Wala sa akong live kinakuan.
Nani pag mo vlog.
Just so you know.
Okay man na.
Guys, yung trivia na kanang
Naunsa naman yung turkey diha? Naunsa yung manok?
okay, muna siya ang first ever nga akong
Turkey nga yung mag-finger. What?
dahil nakita ko na. Kay
Yun sa mga may
dream dream man ako dream man ako mag-OR nurse or surgeon. So
Jaay.
yeah, so muna ang first challenge nga ako ma-try. Ako masuwayan, ako ma-experience.
Sige, go.
Kasakaon ko.
Magunsa ka.
Ako lagi i-clean.
Go, i-clean! More dami na siya sewed guts inside it, so you have to take it off. No, pero I think it's wrapped inside a bag.
Early.
Yeah, so you have to just take it.
Pwede yung
Sige, go.
para makita, dili siya pwede nung tabasin ko. Basin.
Go.
So guys, nag-clean ko na sa turkey.
Wishbone?
What's a wishbone?
Wishbone, yeah, that's the wishbone. I think so.
Mag-sure ba?
Yeah, lagi. I don't know. So, oh my god.
Dili ni siya ang
Because we literally
kuan.
have no idea what
Dili ni
we're
siya
doing
ang
What?
neck.
That's not the neck, babe. The neck is on top. That's the... I don't know, bitaw.
The neck.
Oh, wait. Yeah, that's the neck. Yeah, it's the neck.
Ah, di ko pa kailangan ko off din here, other side.
Yeah. Sa mukha niya.
Oh my god. Oh my god. So, I think this is the neck.
No, that's not the neck. That's the butt. How can the neck be on
Muna
the
ang butt.
turkey's butt? Yeah. Then why would the neck be under it?
Because
Ah, gipasok lang?
it is how it is.
Ipasok lang?
Oh my god.
Sige, laban. Laban. Sige.
Mo ning gahi kay kuan.
Higot.
Kadi ka nang
Uy, nanganak.
Frozen.
Nanganak ang manok!
Oh my god.
Nice.
I did it!
What's that? The fuck is that? Ang liog yun as pabo.
No, I think it's...
I think yan ang utin. Dungan yun na. Kadako sa utin.
So laki ang pabo. Naay ko naay ka ng... Naay mga... Frozen lagi na siya. I think dapat something inside.
Yan mo ito, ipathaw siya.
Luis pabo.
Lagi pasayaw ang manok. Uy, kaluis manok. Bebo ba?
Shoulder exercise. Dry.
Palaban man YouTube, oy. Inana ka ba? Required good ba nga mag-off shoulder?
Yeah, very sexy.
Majudjudan yung tigaw niya ba? Minyo matano niya. Serving the turkey. Giling na mo sa istapiti!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Babe,
Yeah.
may hagid di mo massage yun.
Baba ka niya eh. Kumusta na yung laban niya, babe? Lumalaban pa rin? Maritaw-taw na kita, no? Ready?
Ready?
Ready for turkey?
Yeah. Three hours lang?
3 hours 15 mo ito, yeah.
So?
Ay, higuts na ko. So, we're just gonna wait, guys. Hopefully, this turns out good. Kita naman sa duhang ngaon, so we don't need to impress anyone.
True.
Para bito kung mabala ka kay wala yung mukhaon. Kami naman sad, kung palpak gali, kami rin sa mukhaon.
A few moments later.
Updates. It na guys ni Brown na gano'n nga ang manok din the pita, no? And guys, taod-taod sa gid siya, no? Kay ngit-ngit na sa gawas. Wala nga kita. Ngit na. As in, wala na. It's so dark outside na. What? So, ang atong asawa din yung dapita kay ikapoy na agluto. Kay tagahumagluto, hugas plato, nara kay. By the way, gahimo ni mig biko kay para nagipay gamay pagka Pinoy atong Thanksgiving. Biko nga pink. Biko nga brown. Yes. Gahimo sa kung mashed potatoes to go with the turkey. 12 minutes left for the turkey. Yep, kita it's kamarang heat. And look, it's boiling. Nice. I think we did a really good job with our first turkey, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! You ready?
Yeah.
Gat pa ng kainit sa akong kamera. Bibo. Tama na nagkalakalaan ko, no? Yung mga juice. Ay, bilat! Charot!
Yay!
Perfect golden brown. Aba kaya eh. Sana itong open siguro, no?
Okay.
Kahumot sa manok. Oh my gosh. Look at that beautiful turkey. I think we did a great job. Like a perfect ano yun? Sa part nga ng mga kanang I think mo ni ang katong mga kanang mga pepper mga
Wow. Wow.
So guys, na nang set up sa mga Thanksgiving, no? We have pumpkin custard pie. We have pumpkin custard pie nga kinuhaan. And our turkey, of course. And of course, to make it a bit Filipino, we have biko and our gravy and our mashed potatoes and wine. Di bitaw. Apologies na bitaw na, guys. So we're about to have our Thanksgiving dinner, our very first Thanksgiving dinner here in America. And we made all of the food except for the pie. This one was by Carrie, all by ourselves. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
I hope our turkey will taste better and we'll be thankful for, our skills.